they damn leg shot, damn chop off. I definitely happy, you know. Boy, come try me out. The Twixy toes, don't forget. Guys, want to see how my stick and mash up my skin look? Like everywhere you look, spot, and scab.
They don't do any damage, but they can still be put to good use. Wait, Mikey, what are you doing?
Alright guys, so let me put on. I told myself I wasn't going to this party just to spite B or whatever, but it give me a talk and I said, B, you buy all them clothes, yeah? Just to put on or wear one time, and when you go foreign, it's clothes, I'm just like a nice suitcase and you know, wear them back again. So I'm like, actually, I have my clothes them, so I'm just wear them out. Even if we just go and show my face, take 2 pictures and left, you know? But I was just doing it because, like, first of all, guys, let me tell you, going to party in the nice again, right? First, but not no girl company. You know, Felisa was like my ride or die, but gal gone breed, I know. We can't hang out. B, all him up in a iPhone. Every time in my name, like it's selected him, and he always like switching the keys and adjusting stuff or whatever. That's B thing when God dance. Want somebody where I can like dance with, or like if me want bust out one way, you know, me just, you know, B just not that type of person, but like dance and stuff and just stoosh. I don't like that, you know. I'm a very outgoing girl. Like when we got a party, me I don't want to say skettle, but like me
go-go.
I don't, yeah, it's not go-go, but just me fun, me outgoing, you know, when me I dance and stuff. But with him, this I want to, me have to just drink something and just dip on my phone and make snaps and stuff. No, me did that Felice, I know. Yeah. Want me to broke out and dance and wind up myself and stuff. But me have no other girlfriends, so yeah, so there you go. I just have on this little t-shirt dress and some slippers. I was gonna wear my Gucci sneakers, but he was like, no, wear slippers, so wear slippers. I told him I want to got a prospect because my cousin did get an order for me and the girl gave her money, but more want the girl to get this stuff. Look for women, got a prospect this morning, but be gone for like 12 hours working on damn sewing and setting up for this damn party. I'm gonna say, yo, alright, before we go to the party, carry me so I have to go drop it off. Be a stop by party first before you go. We are 11 o'clock at night. By the time we reach my cousin, I probably go to 12 o'clock. The girl that got in her bed long time with her man and stuff. We can't stand him in sometimes. B, why couldn't I just go drop off the stuff? Why you have to stop at the party? Take off them damn glasses because they don't fit you. Samora, why couldn't we go drop off the stuff first before you stop by party?
I just stop me as the way back.
What me carry them up there? They don't know where it's at? They don't know where it's at? But they in front of us. But they in front of us. You know what, this one? Me can't tell him about my man. And don't take telling, you know? Even when he wrong, he gonna try to convince you that he right. And I hate that. Oh, when we come back and the place empty, I got in my yard, you know? Somebody was like, oh, you guys don't want to spend no time with me. Me feel bad the same? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna go drink some juice and put on my red lip. So guys, we got pulled over. I guess he said something about like a headlamp or whatever. And then we just see the police hop in their car and started to drive off. I guess they said a car was reversing, so I'm gonna go check it out. But I mean, that car probably long gone.
You know, gone, man.
Something just fly out. What was that?
Oh, fly out to it.
We just see something fly.
Fly from where?
I don't know if it.
You sure?
B, I'm not stupid. I'm not like documents there yesterday.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, you sure, sir? Let me go.
Anyways, B was stopping trying to look at the damn police and guns. So you're not gonna see them. That car will reverse gone long time. Anyway, but yeah. They said the headlight wasn't working or something like that. I don't know. I always get nervous, like any type of police, like firing or whatever. Like I just don't like police in general. I don't know. I like my face very something, dude. Like I'm a remote. Try to shut up, and I just like look on my phone so they don't have to ask me anything or say anything to me. You find this in Wood? This?
A piece of paper?
This?
Piece of paper fly out?
Hey, this fly out?
Motor vehicle tax. Here.
Bro, sitting import and fly out, guys. Oh, what? Wait, I carry this or?
Huh?
I feel you carry?
Supposed to. Push it down.
Me, I good people, important documents fly out. Yo, I feel thirsty. I'm be drinking off my damn bigger, guys. I'm here looking for it and it gone. And you just laughing. You ever been a T police officer? Oh, me like to follow instruction, you know, so if you they tell me to come up and I come out.
They want me to come out there. No, police stop you. You just do anything. Follow instruction and you must say, can't even test it. Fuck with me. I run them away.
You gonna run away, police?
What? I feel like I'm making him too big for running away.
If he have a gun, you don't have nothing.
Me not have one. I'm afraid of people.
So, B, you feel like you carry with it reverse, something bad, or they just...
Wrong, man. They know it's the police out there, that's why they tell me.
Then they catch them, though. They can't catch them.
I mean, they catch them. They say they catch them because vehicle never move.
Some more, but let me tell you something. If me a bad man and me a sitting there, I can't police, I run me down. Me I go stop the police. Me not go out drive them. Yes or no?
Then they expect say police and sit there now.
You still not answering my point.
What?
Yeah, I said the police must catch them. They still driving somewhere.
No,
if they have
no, they mean they are
no, I'm saying if they have
they see
something.
police up the road and pull over me, then gone in that plaza.
Oh.
So therefore, police they see when they reverse and drive out back and peep. So that's why police then say, alright, me I drive good on there.
Oh. I still don't think you something.
Plug out the light. Ethnicity. Here go on now. Find some song for a party after this, yeah? After we give you the money, we just party. I don't want nobody to grab the money. I know my style already. I don't share the money equal. I don't want nobody to grab the money. You want a thousand. What on now? You want a thousand. I know everybody went down, so they can't trick me. What on man? Relax no man. They have shared the money equal. You want a thousand. You in the dance. You in the dance, so what on talk, man? You good. What on man? I know everybody went down. See, you Slimmers, come, you in the dance. You good? You know all the money. Look like you want a thousand, you want some more. They get a bottle of champagne. What pounds you? Look like you want the next money.
One night block if it's the next 1,000. They can't push none of your pocket.
Eh?
One night block, it's Slimmers.
No.
Yo, it's Slimmers.
Where you going to get the champagne then?
Yo,
Yeah, when I'm money. Look for the money when you get. Watch out and show how you want the blood. You're going on like a party now, yeah?
They waking up. I'm ready to go home. Guys, party done. It's like 7 o'clock now. I'm like, I can say from coming to Jamaica mega party, this one is the best. This one is called Fresh and Clean, and every year they say it bad and it always like big and crowd and stuff. And like, yes, we can testify to that. The party are nice. At first when I came, you know me, I'm always like taking naps or whatever, so I came out the car. I was taking a nap. I came out the car at like 1 o'clock. I was like, yo, nobody did that party. Nobody did that party, you know, people, me could have count for me and I'm a foot how much people did that party. I said, no man. And like they was playing some like old school music or whatever. I was like, no man. Like I had doubts. Me was like, this one line of people start coming. I said, people 2:30, 3 o'clock. Place full of people are coming and you know, and some music started playing. You know, I just felt so good. Like, you know, it feel nice. The people them the boring, gal go up on their head and I split and I skin out at them that type of party. Me like them that type of vibes. Yo, poor me, I couldn't even dance. I was like, first of all, I'm a married woman now. I'm taken. I'm not single, so I can't really go along but like how I used to. You know, like dancing and stuff. Worse, the dress I had on, I didn't have no shorts on under it. So yeah, there's that. And another thing, I don't have my good cousin with me, Felisa, because she's pregnant. I usually me and she with her, I would dance, and Felisa she love to dance, and you know she like my hype woman or whatever. We're each other's hype woman, you know. We dance with one another and stuff. I'm not gonna just dance with like I think I already told you guys, like be him no in that or whatever, be all up in the damn soul and stuff or whatever. But we both find him when I in time them and stuff. Oh my god. So they're gonna pack up his song, well not the whole song, because they have another date later on, so they're just gonna leave it here and then take it from here, go to the venue, but they just pack up like the amps are like the chords so we could go. I think B have some people if drop off. And I was thinking like since it's almost 7, I might as well go pick up my damn chicken. I don't know guys, I'm gonna pick up my damn chicken in from my auntie yet to know. So probably just do that because she should be up now. And then we just collect your chicken in, so then we'll go eat. We don't have nothing to do. Just sleep. Take off this makeup, guys. Like yo, this lip, I'm surprised it's still on. Like it's popping, okay? What I use? I think I use a NYX eyeliner, a NYX lip pencil, and then a Morphe lipstick on this shit. Like, it's good. So yeah, I'm here in the car now. Turn on the heat, cause guys, it's mighty cool and fret. Yeah, so I'll see you guys a little bit more. Alright guys, so like good afternoon guys. So this morning I came in from the party. Last night came in at like 7:30. Like Samari, where y'all ball? What? A white problem? What? Samari, what's wrong? What? Come, sit down. Alright guys, sorry for that interruption. I guess Samari and Jordan was bullying or beating up a little boy and didn't get licked as they should. So yeah, we don't condone no fighting on bullying other people, right? So anyways, I'm coming in this morning 7:30 for the party. Guys, I'm say party nice. So nice. And I was so tired. Like, I'm not used to like coming in at like 7:30, 8 o'clock, going to sleep and waking up at 12. Like, no, I need like my full 8 hours. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I just got done cleaning up the kitchen. B left earlier because, like I said, straight back till I think Friday this week, or until New Year's Eve. Straight back to New Year's Eve. I might go busy with this song because they booked for like multiple events or whatever. So Ingan got string up at our next location while me and Samar were gonna get ready. I feel like a long time I told them so I go for me chicken them, and I don't know, me can't go for them, but this evening I have to go for them. I want to chicken them. Guys, from Samari come yesterday from his mother in drop off yesterday, and guys, remember the room is nice and clean, everything. From Samari come in their room, just pull up. I like mat them and just move, tie their yesterday and stuff. Like, Samari is very messy, or just kids in general or whatever. So I'm gonna straighten up in here, so we'll watch some YouTube videos, vlogs or whatever. After that, I'm gonna be able to get Samari ready, and then by the time that B should be back here, and then we can go on the road, get something to eat. I haven't had anything really, but just eat one banana chips. I want juice. So yeah, I mean, I think that's all I have to say. My cousin Felisa, she finally went to the hospital today. Today's what, the 28th of December. They're gonna induce her. She just called me like 2 hours ago, so I'm gonna send on peeing upon her. So hopefully tonight or in the morning the baby is here. Because yo guys, it would really look out weird like become a Jamaica and the baby in a bond, like, you know. Well guys, we just not coming back. How many hours later, but I say go. When you're with the guy who, you know, so
as I told that there was a guy in Son, and he said he was soon coming, and he was not coming.
They said the boy who cried sonar, the boy who cried they were coming home or something. We can't, but I mean, I got no party tonight, so now I'm gonna go get something to eat. Most likely KFC or Secure. I don't know. One of those. But yes, I didn't eat. What did I eat today?
What did I Secure?
We really live in Jamaica, so we're doing. I mean, it's the KFC closed at 11 o'clock. What was I saying?
Daddy, KFC no lock up in the...
What did I have? Piece of bread. So she found butter. I want bigger. And a plantain chips. That's what I ate today for the entire day, and it's almost 9:30 at night. Let me see how my boy treat me bad.
Suppose over 2 shop them. Peter sell for $60. Every day I'm gone over there to buy something. Every day.
Oh guys, somebody get my little money, right? I need to start singing money. Oh, I want my 3,000, I want 3,000, I want 3,000. Somebody, y'all gotta tell them what you're gonna do with your $3,000.
Guys, get me $3,000.
What you gonna do with it?
I use it to spend on toys.
So Samara, do you think toys can help you?
Why yes?
Why yes? But you haven't talked to them today. You want to say something?
Busy all day.
Busy doing so.
Do you want to explain to them what your work consists of?
What?
So they have an idea, like, what does your work consist of?
And guys,
String up.
let me talk to them,
Huh?
Mikayla.
Wait, no, make your daddy something.
String up and prepare for party.
No, Mikayla, let me talk to you guys.
That take 2 or 3 hours? So guys, that takes 2 or 3 hours.
Guys,
and he left the house at
guys, comment down
what, 1
below.
o'clock?
No.
And you're reaching 8:30. Although enough stuff B did go through today, he told me. He had to pick up the selector, make 3 trips back and forth with him because the guy forgot his key at the house and the key broke in the house, so then he had to go back for the guy so the guy can open up his house, feed people them, and then he got pulled over by police and stuff. It's just a lot.
Much not bet me said daddy have to come round here, son.
What, you think he might go stop?
Yeah.
He might go stop? Let's see if he stop. Anyway, we're Sunday, you know, we always have to pull over.
Hey.
And
I set up like one
Something
on son. I set up.
I set up. What you know, I set up?
Party.
I set up.
So somebody dead? Oh, dead. No, but you said I set up. Set up when somebody dead. Anyway, so we're on our way to Linston, guys.
Guys, comment down below who am I? Comment down below. But my name start with C. Comment down below.
I see your name start with. Where name start with? Oh, okay.
Comment down below my name. My name start with C, and my last name ends with my last name first letter is B. So comment down below if you think who am I.
Oh.
And comment down below who you think is this man. His name start with S, and his last name start with B. So who you think? Me? Who am me?
Somebody, yeah, draw this sitting. All you have to say is, guys, comment down below what's his name and what's his name. That's all you have to say. Yeah, draw the thing.
Alright, goodbye now, guys. We'll soon vlog. We'll vlog when we reach at Linstead.
So, guys, the line in KFC super long. People said they've been waiting for like 2 hours. We went to Secura and they were closed. They've been like, where are we gonna get food? But here with me, he said, oh, the dance where the song is playing that he just came from, they were selling food and he said he ate one of the foods and the food was good. So guess where we're going now? Bush pot and music was that. But I'm going here to get my food and leave it. When I turn out with even turn on this and something, nobody.
You're not true that so.
No, I'm not. You better me take you there, we can't find me and go back up and you're left freaking stranded.
You're not in there.
What?
You're not in there.
Why wouldn't I leave your road? If I'm ready and you're not ready, then or would you like me to make a scene in front of your friends? I like trying to fight you. Huh?
You're alone can't sleep in Jamaica.
Me alone can't sleep in Jamaica. I'm gonna sleep by myself before a long time.
What?
I'm gonna sleep by myself at Jamaica plenty of times.
Oh.
I mean, how? Before you. We did go up to the dance where the food was selling. I bought a food. The food wasn't nice. I didn't like it. So we'll come back out and come join the line. Here's the KFC. They didn't have any wings or nothing, just spicy chicken. So this will do. Alright, good afternoon, guys. I don't know what to say. It's a new day. You know, I'm out on the road. I was doing a little bit of juggling. I was selling some stuff. I almost went for my chicken then, but we had to stop somewhere. But I got turned around and someone for somewhere, and then I'm gonna go grab the chicken then. Stop at some family members, and then go up. B want me to come out a party tonight. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I didn't go to the party last night with B. He left 3 o'clock this morning to go to the party and then string up, and then he moved the stone to a different location because, like I said, they're booked out like this whole entire week. So yeah, we'll stop at one local place. A friend of mine said I can't party or whatever, so he's gonna buy food and support here. Felisa had her baby last night. I called her and talked to her this morning. Yes, she had a nice little baby girl. She is so pretty. I cannot wait to see them. You know, obviously hospital, you can't really like visit like that. The baby father went today, so when she gets home, then I'm gonna go there and visit them. Okay, so I'm gonna get curry goat with rice and peas and raw veg with some jerk pork. So this is the venue that we're at.
Chop it.
See them there, fix up his soon. Somebody, you want to tell the vlog, say, get what, free drinks?
Free juice, we can't get the next one, we can't take a Red Bull, we can't take anything.
Oh, you want so special?
Must come here go play a song tonight.
Oh, are you gonna play a song tonight?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, engineer now.
I want.
And selector. Alright guys, so I showed you them getting ready, like setting up the sound for the party. Samari, y'all must get them sitting there coming. Is either you're in there, oh, and go on the back. Come in there, just here front. The car is on. Go on the back, Samari. Yes. I was gonna like stay out there, cause like B, let me tell you guys something. B has a problem with me about like he doesn't like that I don't like the whole sound business. Like, you know, like, oh B, you know, you have to come with me and see what I do and come my party them and stuff, you know. I mean,
my ninja gadget.
Sorry, I'm talking. You soon have your time. I'm talking. Let me finish. You know, but I'm like, okay, let me just stand out here see what he do or whatever. But no, guys, which part them this party I keep and then book for? No man, me see one red sitting come on me like a fly. Me say no, so me have to go. My skin a scratch me. My skin a crawl down on my foot. Them like I don't know. And somebody I run up and down for the place and me ask somebody, is your skin hurting? Is your skin scratching you? Somebody said no. It come like say it bugged them out here. Just know say yo foreign blood. One blood within have are used to they year. So them are just like they just attack me. Like I don't understand. Like yo, my skin yo. Ridiculous. And Jamaican spray are like the insect repellent when I buy out here. Come like and I know used to them, so like I need to see if I can get like the off brand, you know, cause if you want me to come up here tonight, I forget that type of mosquito spray.
Mummy.
Yes.
So mummy, may I come with you too, you know?
Tomorrow you can't come to party.
Yes, I can.
A big people party.
I walk because I'm here to celebrate the son today.
Celebrate?
I'm here to keep his son today.
Oh, like are you also like an isn't it?
Yeah.
No.
I look at my sword.
Yeah, Pitney, you can't do that.
Yeah? Me do it already. So guys, comment down below if you know my name. My name starts S now.
Oh, now start the S? Okay. In a previous vlog, or I think yesterday, I don't know, something, he was trying to say, comment down below what's his name and what's his father's name. Whatever. So, what time is it now? It's 4:44. Hopefully be done by 5:30. I'll give him that so now I could go get these damn chickens. Drop off, I'll go up on my yard.
Hey!
Yeah. Tomorrow is when? Tomorrow's Friday the 30th. Oh my god, guys, like I leave next week. Like where did the time go? Like me just yo, I'm gonna go out no beach yet and I know what yo. So after these little two, so I don't know if probably New Year's Day we're going out some water probably.
Yeah, finally New Year's we're going out some water. Long time I'm not going out water with my family.
Guys, I find this so satisfying. The guy like decorating the place, like holding like just drip up the stuff them, and then like this side like the part of a dance. Very satisfying. I wanna like then go around it and foot them.
Biggest one on fight.
Alright, don't carry the car. Alright guys, so which part I was vlogging or showing you guys where the sound was keeping. Somebody I was like in my sleep or whatever. Somebody coming up and doing, mommy, daddy foot. But say leave me alone, cause when I'm in my sleep, you know nobody about me, you know. You can't tell me say place a bun down or something. Mister like I try to sleep, cause like I don't know, guys. When I'm in my sleep, it's like me just get. I'm in a different zone or whatever. So me know say you say in foot, in cut or whatever, but me need a penny to like go over there and check for him. So I guess that serious sitting in come he went on top of the light post to go connect the current or whatever. And they say one nail must joke him and no they must tie sitting. So but you can't wear shoes.
No, I don't miss. I blood run on my foot.
Oh.
B did a full body, no?
You did a full body?
Yo.
And be a cuss and
Yo, no, that is good up.
I'm gonna come check for it.
Huh?
B, and I tell people
Ready?
that I'm gonna tan bad. In B?
Hmm?
You tell them I'm gonna tan bad?
Yeah. Because you don't like sound, so you just a cuss.
But don't you think that was a sign, B? Don't you think that was a sign? Huh? Samora, you really gonna race with them after your foot damn sick?
B, you shine a light on me and me drive. I don't know what else to do.
Guys, I believe, comment down below if you
I
think that's a
believe I
sign
can fly.
that or something there.
I believe I can touch the
The
sky.
sky. I believe
Yo, what
I
the-
can fly.
Me still back to the point.
I believe I can
Go
touch.
vex.
Daddy, man, I catch up.
No, but B, that no good, you know. You don't know if it's there rusty. You can't catch infection, you know. You know that some more?
Yeah?
Some more, you can't catch infection.
And that's why I'm
Daddy.
stiff up, so.
Take it on, I'm gonna
So you
catch
don't
up.
feel like you're gonna go to the doctor?
No, I'm not going to that.
Everything.
Why you not going to the doctor? Because you have to go back high sound?
No.
So you're gonna make you lose your leg over your damn sound?
I can't go that.
Guys, you know what me tell
Daddy,
you?
man, I
Ain't damn
catch
leg
up.
shot, damn chop off. And that happen, you know, our foot, our something.
Would you like that?
I wouldn't like it, but at least it would make you sit down and you wouldn't have to deal with this sound, you
Then
know.
broke your fucking foot. Why you don't break my foot?
You broke your foot.
If you want me to sit down and not move.
Yo, even if it broke your boy foot, you still go find a way to walk on the hand them and do it, a connect sound and deal with sound.
Hold the foot.
Were you crying when your dad got cut? No. You did a ball beat? It hurt? B, were you crying?
No, I wasn't.
Did it hurt? It hurt?
Daddy can't
Then no
cry.
must be a pack out again.
Oh. When I go home, I put some alcohol on it, or peroxide. Okay?
Yeah.
But we're not in a bandage or something. Though.
So we're ready.
B, but I think me I go back up. B, if you chicken, you say if it just call me, I tell her, say me I come. I don't like that sitting there, you know. Guys, from last, no, let me tell you, no, me come down get 14. I believe that next week, 14, 15, 16,
All the food.
17, and 18, and 19. That week there, it's chicken and kill. And right now it's 2 days away from the new year. And I'm gonna collect my chicken, them, you know. Yo, if it's time to say about me damn, how much percent? 300 of it gonna raise chicken, cause it don't make that damn sense. I give them, I give them with.
Chicken is expensive.
No, but I did send $300 for something the chicken them. But anyway, so I'm on my way to go pick up my chicken them. But still do I make a stop at my uncle for Sere, but I don't know. We'll see.